Hello everyone, I still remember my humble self, Chukwuka. Happy Sunday to you guys and welcome to a brand new week. Okay, it's been exciting. It's been exciting. It's been an exciting moment in TBC, with send buttons being turned on, with people making lots of money, with those who partner with trusted sellers making some of their own money, and more and more great news coming to the community. Okay, and only those who are patient and follow the proven system of TBC, and also those who are informed will understand what is really going on. Okay, so it's very important that you stay close to information and you have the Billion Coin app to get notifications whenever there are blog updates or important information to be passed across. Okay, so there's an information today that was passed out by the TBC admin trying to clear up some of the arguments by some people that they have paid their $10 fee, but they have not but their send buttons have not been turned on. Okay, so I'll go to the blog session and open up the write-up. Okay, it's called Filters Are Necessary. The reason for this blog update is because some of the members are asking, why do I need to do a testimonial video to get my send button turned back on? I paid the $10 fee for a long time ago. So the write-up is a long one. Okay, the write-up is a long one, but I did a summary that I want to share with you guys to buttress the point that the TBC admin has made. So I'll move on to another page where you will see where I will share the summary to you guys. Okay, all right. So here is the summary of the write-up. Okay, the blog post by TBC admin. I know most people find it hard to read very long articles, so I'll make it easy for them through this summary. Okay, and also it will make this video very short. Now, the summary of everything the admin wrote is this. Okay, from my understanding, 100,000 wallets or 100,000 people have paid their $10 fee. Okay. Now, also, the current coin network is not stable to accept all 100,000 people. Okay, so the TBC admin cannot turn on send button for 100,000 people on the current coin network because it's not stable. Now, testimonial videos are used as filter to select send buttons to be turned on. Okay, let me repeat again. Testimonial videos are simply a filter, okay, or a sieve to select those who their send buttons will be turned on. And so far, 1,000 send buttons have been turned on, and more will be turned on till there is sign the current coin network cannot hold, or maybe cannot start to show signs of challenges or technical errors. Okay. The new coin network will be available soon, probably in March. Then migration will happen. After migration, all those who pay their $10 fee will have their send buttons turned on. Okay, I hope this is clear up to now. Then finally, the $10 fee is a lifetime fee for your TBC wallet. Okay, so if you paid through the $10 fee through your Kringle Cash account, it covers you for 1 year on the Kringle Cash account and lifetime on the TBC wallet. But if you paid on the TBC wallet, it covers you for a lifetime only on the TBC wallet. Meaning, if you want to pay the Kringle Cash fee, you have to pay fresh $10 for that. But let me not just focus on what I'm saying right now. Okay, so right now the $10 fee is a lifetime fee for your TBC wallet, and it's used by the TBC admin to maintain the Billion Coin, to maintain the TBC. Okay, it's used by the admin to maintain TBC, to maintain the servers, the employees that run technical support, and some of the things in the background, and also the best technical hands in blockchain technology in order to take care of the technical issues on the coin network and also the new coin network that is coming our way. So also the lifetime fee is in place, or is or the opposite of transaction fee, which most people, if you are aware of Bitcoin and other market driven coin, you know that for every transaction you do on the network, you pay a fee. Okay, you pay a fee, but here in TBC you only pay a $10 fee for a lifetime for your wallet. Okay, so that's the summary of the write-up. So if you don't understand this, I don't know what else again you're going to understand, but the message is clear by the TBC admin. But if you feel that you want to read the message, you can still go ahead and read the message by yourself. Okay, but if you follow proven system by the TBC admin by partnering with a trusted seller, okay, by partnering with a trusted seller who has a send button like me, okay, for every referral or for every person who buys TBC from a trusted seller through you, you will get 50% commission on that. It's as simple as ABCD. Okay, then if you want a send button turned on now, you have to do testimonial videos. Okay, also I'll be doing a video shortly, such that I want to address, for those who don't have YouTube accounts, how I can help them upload their videos and also give them the link for them to go and share on the blog, or also help them share on the testimonial page of the Billion Coin. Okay, all right. So till I come your way next time, remember my humble self, Chukwu Kabelago, and I hope I impacted a message to you today. Take care. Bye for now.